Discipline is easy. That might sound controversial, but it's the truth. If it were really that hard, wouldn't everyone be struggling? The reality is, talking about discipline is easy. Doing it is the hard part. You might be thinking it's just not working for me, or discipline isn't for everyone. We get it. It sounds like a bold statement, but hear us out. The intense, hardcore discipline being sold to you online is misleading. And worse, it's hurting your growth. Instead of improving, you're stuck in a cycle of guilt and self-doubt. You've turned something simple into something overwhelming. And now, you're afraid of it. That fear is slowly destroying your self-esteem. So why does discipline feel so hard? How can it actually be made easy? How can you realistically apply it in your life? Today, we are going to answer these questions and introduce you to 4 simple discipline domino habits that are incredibly easy to follow. By the end of this, you'll forget every motivational video you've seen about discipline. You'll walk away with a fresh, new perspective that could genuinely change your life. Discipline is not that hard. Yes, you've heard the stories. David Goggins wakes up at 3 a.m. and runs 20 miles daily. Elon Musk works 100 hours a week. Virat Kohli trains 2 hours a day, every day. But ask yourself, do you really need that level of extreme discipline in your daily life? Probably not. You don't need to wake up at 3 a.m. or work 100-hour weeks. Those people aren't crazy. Their professions demand extreme discipline. If Elon Musk didn't work like that, how could he run multiple companies? If Kohli didn't train daily, how could he help India win matches? If you were in their place, you'd probably do the same, but you're not. You're in your place, with your goals and your priorities. And for you, discipline doesn't have to be extreme. The problem is, social media has sold you the idea that only superhumans are capable of discipline, and that you aren't one of them. They've made you believe that discipline is a mountain only the top 1% can climb. But that's not true. There's no difference between you and them. They just developed the skill, like a muscle, over time. Even Goggins didn't wake up one day and run 20 miles. He built it up slowly. Discipline is a skill. Everyone starts at 0. Just like no one climbs Everest without ever hiking a hill. You must build up. You've made discipline harder than it actually is. It's time to change that belief. Rewire your brain. Let's ground ourselves in a new belief. Discipline is actually easy. There are 2 types of tasks that need discipline. First, reminder-based tasks. These are tasks you only need a reminder for. Like drinking water, writing in a journal, or doing 10 push-ups. You don't need willpower, just a nudge. Set reminders on your phone, and you'll do these consistently. Second, willpower-based tasks. These are tasks where you know what to do, but don't feel like doing it. Like going to the gym, studying, or practicing a new skill. You set the time. You know the goal. But when the time comes, you feel lazy. This is where willpower kicks in. And this is where the real discipline muscle gets built. If you're starting from 0, begin with 2 habits. One that only needs a reminder, and one that challenges your willpower. This way you train both your memory and your mental strength. There are 4 simple discipline domino habits that will help you transform your life. Domino habit number 1. Meditate daily. Wait. Don't skip this because it sounds boring. Meditation trains your mind like the gym trains your body. It helps you control your thoughts, regulate your emotions, and sharpen your focus and attention. Scientific studies show regular meditation increases gray matter in brain regions linked to self-control and focus. Here's how to start. Set 3 alarms on your phone labeled meditation. Choose one in the morning, one midday, and one in the evening. When the alarm rings, just do 5 minutes of meditation. At first, you'll follow all 3, then maybe 2. Eventually, you might only stick with 1. But guess what? That 1 session still builds daily discipline. Domino habit number 2, wake up at the same time daily. There's a reason Navy SEALs like Jocko Willink say, when you hit snooze, you kill your dreams. Your day's first decision sets the tone for the rest of your day. If you get up on time, you train your brain to prioritize goals over comfort. That small win leads to better choices throughout the day. So pick a realistic time, not 5 a.m. Just a time you can stick to every day. No snooze, no delay. Just get up. This simple habit builds discipline and sets a positive tone for your entire day. Domino habit number 3. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful tool for building mental discipline. When you exercise, you're training your self-control and stress management skills. It doesn't have to be intense. Start with a 10-minute walk or a few push-ups. The key is consistency. Set a fixed time each day for your exercise. It could be right after you wake up or during your lunch break. Stick to the schedule, and you'll see improvements not just in your physical health, but in your overall discipline and focus. Domino habit number 4. Manage your diet. What you eat affects your energy levels and cognitive function. High sugar intake can lead to energy crashes and impaired focus. Start by making small changes to your diet. Replace one unhealthy snack with a fruit. Drink water instead of soda. These small changes add up. They train your discipline muscle and improve your overall health and focus. Remember, discipline isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices, one at a time. Now let's talk about how to implement these habits. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick one habit and focus on it for a week. Once it becomes easier, add another. This gradual approach builds sustainable discipline. Use technology to your advantage. Set reminders on your phone. Use habit tracking apps. These tools can help you stay consistent, especially in the beginning when you're building your discipline muscle. Remember, discipline is a skill. It gets easier with practice. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a day. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency over time is what matters. Discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about making progress. Celebrate your small wins. Did you meditate for 5 minutes today? That's a win. Did you wake up on time? Another win. These small victories build momentum and motivation. As you build these habits, you'll notice changes. You'll feel more in control of your life. Your focus will improve. You'll have more energy. Most importantly, you'll realize that discipline isn't this scary, impossible thing. It's a skill you can develop, one small habit at a time. So, forget what you've heard about discipline being hard. It's not. It's a skill you can learn and improve. Start with these simple, disciplined domino habits. Take it one day at a time. And remember, every small step counts. You've got this. Discipline is within your reach. It's not about being superhuman. It's about being consistently human. Start today. Start small, but start. Your future self will thank you.